This is Mr. Islam Yusuf. Our lesson today about solving one-step equation. In this tutorial we will know the meaning of equation, the meaning of solving equation, how to solve one-step equation. We'll start with the meaning of equation. Equation is the equality of two terms. The left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. One of the two sides contain a variable. The meaning of solving equation: find the value of this variable which makes the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side. And now how to solve one-step equation. Question number 1. Solve. C minus 22 equals 54. As we know that solving the order of operation, we solve the bracket, then the power, then times or divide, then plus or minus. If you want to find the order of operation, we start from up to down. But if you want to solve the equation, you start from down to up. It means we start from plus or minus. If you didn't find plus or minus, then we shift to times or divide. After that we solve the power. The last part that we solved, which is the brackets. Because we use an inverse way, so we use the inverse operation. So in this problem we have C minus 22 equals 44. The sign that we have, which is minus, to solve we use the inverse operation, which is plus. So we add the same number, which is 22. So the answer now will be 54 plus 22, which is equal to 76. Number 2. 113 equal G minus 25. We need to solve for the variable. It means we need to remove the operation which beside the variable. The operation that we have, which is minus, to solve we use the inverse operation, which is plus. So by adding 25, then G is equal to 138. Number 3. J minus 87 equals to negative 3. By the same we use the inverse operation, which is plus. So by adding 87, then J is equal to negative 3 plus 87, which equals to positive 84. In this problem we have adding sign. In subtracting sign we use the inverse operation, which is addition. In this one, 63 is positive, so we use the inverse sign, which is negative 63. Then M is equals by subtracting 79 minus 63, which equals to 16. Number 2. 27 plus K equals to 30. To solve we use the inverse operation, which is subtraction, so by subtracting 27, then K is equal to 3. Number 3. Negative 12 is equal to P plus 16. As we see that we have addition, so we use the inverse operation by subtracting 16, then P is equals to negative 12 minus 16 equals to negative 28. 2 over 3 Q equals to 1 over 2. In this problem we have 2 over 3 multiplied by Q. Then to solve we use the inverse operation, which is division. But we can solve with the easiest way, which is multiplied by the reciprocal of the number. So if you multiply by 3 over 2 in the right hand side and in the left hand side, you will find that you will cancel 2 over 3 and 3 over 2. Then the remainder now will be Q is equals to 1 over 2 times 3 over 2. So it will be 1 times 3 equals 3 and 2 times 2 equals 4. Number 2. 39 is equal to negative 3R. If you want to solve, we have negative 3 multiplied by R. So we use the inverse operation, which is division, divided by negative 3, divided by negative 3. Then R is equals 39 divided by negative 3 equals to negative 13. Number 3. 3 over 5K equals 6. By solving with the same way, multiplying by the reciprocal, because we have a fraction, so it will be 5 over 3. So cancel 3 over 5, it's mean K is equal to, divided by 3 equals 1, divided by 3 equals 2, 2 times 5, which equals to 10. In the next tutorial we'll know how to solve the multi-step equation, some problem solving question, the consecutive numbers.